Here's how to find your Roblox user ID. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and go to roblox.com, log into your specific account, and then after tap on your profile page from the top left corner of your screen, select a name and you'll be taken to your profile page. You can usually find a link to your profile in the main navigation menu or by clicking your name or profile picture in the top left corner. Now, on your profile page, look at the address bar in the top of your browser. It should look something like roblox.com/users slash a certain number and then slash profile. The numbers in that link are your Roblox user ID. Select and copy those numbers, and then you can paste them wherever you need to use your ID, like in the form or when sharing it with a friend, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.